Do you want to acquire professional business process modeling skills? Do you want to optimize and automate the business processes in your organization? Then this channel may contain just the right material for you. With over 250 video tutorials, including supplementary materials. So what exactly is there to discover? Hi, my name is Andreas Hense and I'm a professor of business information systems with over 20 years of experience in business process automation. So this channel exists now for 5 years, and the most popular topic has turned out to be BPMN, Business Process Model and Notation. And in this channel you can find many short videos explaining single elements of BPMN, but also longer videos with modeling experience, complex modeling tasks, and also challenges where you can discover modeling mistakes with BPMN. The second topic, and the original topic, which takes most of the place here, is of course YAWL, the open source business process management system. There are over 50 video tutorials, including supplementary materials, and you can use those to start learning the system, and then you can do workshops with subject matter experts in your organization and eventually also start using the system in your organization, so it's ready for professional use. There are also videos where different business process management systems are compared, and you can also look at those if for whatever reason you don't want to use YAWL productively. Another important topic on this channel is process mining. Process mining is a technology that allows you to analyze so-called event logs, and these event logs can come from business process management systems such as YAWL, or they can also come from standard software systems like ERP systems. And on this channel I have some tutorials on how to use open source process mining tools, and also how to create process logs yourself, how to create process logs with simulation, and also a comparison between different process mining algorithms. So join this exclusive community, watch the videos and download the supplementary material, ask questions in the comments. You are welcome. Hope to see you soon.